What if a man appeared out of nowhere, claimed he was from the year 2256, and backed it up with knowledge no one in our time should ever have? Some parts of this story are rooted in real scientific theories, ideas about how time might bend, stretch, or even loop. Let's break it down. The man from 2256. The legend of the time traveler from 2025-60 has many versions, but one of the most talked about figures is a man known as Andrew Carlson. According to the tale, Carlson appeared in New York in 2003 with just $800 in his account and somehow turned it into $350 million in only 2 weeks. When authorities questioned his impossible financial success, he allegedly claimed he was a visitor from the year 2256, armed with historical knowledge of stock market movements and major world events. This version of the story goes far beyond insider trading. It describes Carlson as part of a future society where time manipulation is understood and regulated. In his supposed confession, he spoke of advanced technologies, future discoveries, and even historical corrections made through controlled time missions. Though the story was eventually traced back to a fictional source, its details were so captivating that it sparked worldwide debates about time travel and scientific possibility. How the myth blends with real science. The tale of a man from 2025 gains momentum because modern science already treats time as flexible. Einstein's theory of special relativity shows that time isn't fixed. It stretches and contracts, depending on speed. So if someone like Carlson truly arrived from 2256, the only scientific explanation would involve traveling close to the speed of light, where time for the traveler slows dramatically compared to people on Earth. A journey spanning centuries could feel like days or weeks. We already see this effect in real life. Astronauts orbiting Earth experience time slightly slower than people on the ground. It's a tiny difference, just a fraction of a second, but it proves the principle. Wormholes, black holes, and the path through time. But how could someone leap backward in time, not just slow their aging? That's where more exotic ideas come in. A wormhole is often described as a tunnel connecting two distant points in space-time. If one end of that wormhole experienced extreme gravity or moved at incredible speed, time would shift relative to the other end. A traveler entering such a passage could emerge earlier than they entered. If the year 2256 has technology capable of stabilizing a wormhole, then suddenly, Carlson's claim becomes theoretically possible, even if it's completely beyond our reach today. Black holes offer another speculative route. Their intense gravity slows time drastically. A traveler who orbits near the edge of a black hole could return to find centuries have passed elsewhere. Deadly today, but in the distant future? Maybe navigable. Stories like Carlson's often blend these scientific concepts, imagining a world where future civilizations have mastered gravitational manipulation or even engineered artificial wormholes. If you enjoyed this mind-twisting tale and want more stories exploring the line between the impossible and the unexplained, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video.